Welcome to Manage Engine Desktop Central video series. I am Dhruv Patel and I'll be walking you through step-by-step process of installation of Desktop Central for the evaluation. To install the software, you need a setup file, and this is the page from where you can download the setup file. I've already put the link for this page in the below section. Since I've already got the setup file on my desktop, I'll run it as an administrator. The version which we are trying to install today is version 10, which is the latest one. I'll go next. Yes. Destination folder and next. You just want to make sure that you have turned off your antivirus, otherwise it might create some issues while you're running the setup. 8020 is the default port for Desktop Central to communicate. Next. And next. It is not mandatory to have 8020 port for Desktop Central to communicate. You can choose any other port as well, but you just want to make sure that you have created inbound and outbound rules for that particular port into your firewall. The setup usually doesn't take a very long time, but it depends on your resources of your server as well. We are almost done. You just need to jot down your basic information into this section. So the name is Dhruv. Email is dhruv@softsalt.co.nz. As soon as you have jotted down all the information into this section, another icon will pop up on your desktop, and that will take you to Desktop Central dashboard. The last one is country, which is New Zealand. Next. And finish. And this will take me to homepage of Desktop Central. And here, as you can see, HTTP port is 8020 and HTTPS is 8383, which is the default one. That's the home page. I just want to make sure that before jumping straight away onto the dashboard, all the services for Desktop Central are running fine. So I'll go services.msc and enter. Just make sure that state of the service is running. If it is stuck on started or starting state, just give a couple of seconds or restart the service and make sure that it gets changed to running state. Manage engine. It's still in starting state, so I'll just give couple of seconds and I'll browse around the properties. Setup type automatic is fine. I haven't set up recovery at this stage, but it is highly recommended to set up recovery so that every time your service gets stopped, it gets automatically started. And that's the dashboard for Desktop Central with evaluation license of 29 days. Default credentials are admin, and build version is 10.0.380, which is the latest one. and that's the dashboard for Desktop Central 10. So as you have seen, it is very easy and very straightforward to install and set up Desktop Central. If you have any queries or any questions, feel free to flick us an email or call us, and we will be very happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.